Which baseball players did WAR help get into the Hall of Fame? Imagine a tool that can help us see how valuable a player truly was over their career. That tool is called wins above replacement, or WAR. It estimates how many more wins a player adds compared to a typical replacement player. It combines hitting, fielding, base running 4 position players, and pitching 4 pitchers into one number. This makes comparing players from different eras or positions much easier. The Hall of Fame has always looked at a player's overall career, but recently WAR has become a big part of the conversation. It helps voters see beyond traditional stats and understand a player's total contribution. No player has been elected solely because of WAR, but it supports their case. Players with high WAR totals are often viewed as more deserving of induction. Most Hall of Famers have career WAR totals between 50 and 70. That range shows a player was very good over many years. Players with a WAR above 100 are rare and usually get in on the first ballot. Only about 25 players have reached that level, and 6 of them are pitchers. Babe Ruth, the legendary slugger, has the highest WAR ever, and his Hall of Fame spot was never in question. 4 players on the borderline, WAR can make a real difference. Edgar Martinez, a designated hitter, was elected partly because his WAR was 68.4. That number showed he was more valuable than traditional stats suggested. Mike Mussina and Larry Walker also saw their Hall of Fame chances improve as voters paid more attention to advanced metrics like WAR. Some players with lower WAR totals are still in the Hall of Fame. They often had long careers, were popular, or had strong defensive skills. Luis Aparicio and Ray Schock, for example, have career WARs below 50 but are in because of their defensive talent and the era they played in. Pitchers are evaluated differently with WAR. Starters like Cy Young and Walter Johnson have huge career WAR totals because they pitched many innings. Relievers like Mariano Rivera have lower total WAR but were dominant in their roles. Rivera's election was supported by both traditional stats and advanced metrics, even though his WAR is less than many starters. In the end, WAR hasn't directly put anyone into the Hall of Fame, but it has become an important part of the discussion. It helps identify overlooked players, supports borderline candidates, and provides a common way to compare players across different times and roles. As baseball stats keep evolving, WAR will likely stay a key tool in Hall of Fame debates.